Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
In this video, we are going to be testing Trend Rider for Pocket Option Auto Trader on 5-second close. This is a part of the series where we are testing every single strategy for Pocket Option Auto Trader. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you would like to have this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. This is both desktop version and cell phone version. Both works perfectly with one click install and is completely for free. So, like I said, we are now testing Trend Rider. We will do as always $100 trades. We will use martingale if we lose with the opposite buy sell, and we will set a profit target of $500. So now let's start up and let's see. So now let's start. I will change one thing as this is a trend follower. I think same direction actually make more sense. I will always use opposite, but for this one I will change for same direction. So now let's start up and let's see how we do. So let's see, he will now start to collect everything he needs for this strategy. As you see, he go all the way to 52. So he will now calculate all the indicators that is needed for this strategy, plus all the information he needs for the pair that we are trading. And as a trend follower, even when it's a high number at 52, I think the trade should be taken pretty darn fast. Last strategy we used yesterday had a win rate of 75%. Through all the pairs that we have been trading, I think was just one that had 100% win rate. So make sure you see all the videos that I'm making in this series. So like I said, this was day number 10. So now we got the first trade in and it's a loss. So he will now follow in the same direction. Let's see if that was a smart move. Yes. I think for this makes sense as he follow the trend. So now you can see he have a cooldown. This is something I did as he did get the first trade wrong. It's better we take a cooldown because we don't want to follow a bad trend. So now it's better he take a small break and after he can continue trading again. So now he will start looking, he found right away. And that was a winner. We are now at a 67% win rate. That is pretty good in my book. So it looks like he's continuing the same way. We are now at 75%. I would believe we will need 6 winners to turn 500. Let's see. So now he's looking, and you see he don't take any break in between when we have won the last trade. So now we got it exactly perfect. We are now at 80%. This one was lucky. This was just slightly below entry. And one more. Like I said, we are for $170 now. We need one more, but the win rate is pretty darn good. Take a look at this. This is amazing. And looks like the last one. No, this one did go in the last second the wrong way. But as we are following the same direction, we are going to win it now, yes. And there you have it. 75% win rate on this one also, same like the one yesterday. So this one turned out to be pretty darn good. And like I said, for this strategy, same direction is the way to use. So if you want to use this strategy or any other for Pocket Option Auto Trader, and you have not seen or used this binary option robot before, use the links that you find about the video at X or below the video at YouTube, and I see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.